Reasons why bamboo shoots are good for our health. Bamboo shoots or bamboo sprouts are the edible and delicious part of bamboo plant species. They are hard on the outside and soft, faintly sweet and quite crisp inside. For centuries, shoots have been a part of many Asian dishes. According to research, bamboo shoots are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, fibers, proteins, and have low fat content. A fresh bamboo shoot has significant amounts of vitamins A, B6, C, and E as well as calcium, potassium, niacin, iron, folate, copper, zinc, selenium, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, and thiamine. Shoots also contain phytochemicals such as lignans and phenolic acids which have an anti-cancer, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effect. Here are some of the numerous health benefits we can obtain from regularly eating bamboo shoots. 1. Contains anti-cancer properties. The plant contains phytosterols which have powerful anti-cancerous properties that are effective against stomach cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, and ovarian cancer. The flavone, chlorophyll, and amylase found in bamboo shoots are called phytosterols. Additionally, it was found to be capable of lowering the risks of colon or colorectal cancer. This was according to a research paper published by Vivek Sharma and Nirmala Chongdam. The shoots also possess phenolic compounds that exhibit antioxidant properties. These also contribute to cancer prevention. 2. You'll have a more regulated blood pressure. Due to its high levels of potassium, bamboo shoots can help lower blood pressure levels. Studies also found that potassium in bamboo shoots can steady our heartbeat, thereby further enhancing our heart health. With every serving, we can get a fifth of our recommended daily amount of potassium. 3. Helps treat menstrual problems. Regular intake of bamboo shoots can help with various reproductive health problems in women. It can help treat irregular menstrual cycle, infertility issues, and reduce labor pain and prevent too much loss of blood post-delivery. 4. Contains potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The shoots possess powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that are helpful in preventing various diseases such as cancer, heart diseases, and even keep the blood vessels safe. 5. Has less calorie content. There are only 27 calories in every 100 grams of bamboo shoots. It is also packed with fiber, thus making us full enough to eat less of other high-calorie food. This can be ideal for those individuals who want to lose some pounds. 6. Helps prevent respiratory disorders. For the purpose of using it against some respiratory disorders, we need to make a decoction of the shoots by boiling them twice. The first boil should be for 5 minutes followed by a second boil for about 10 minutes. For best results, take the decoction along with honey. 7. Helps strengthen the immune system. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in the shoots are ideal for improving the body's immune system in order to lower our risks of neurodegenerative diseases. 8. Helps maintain healthier digestive system. Thanks to the high fiber content of bamboo shoots. Consumption of it can help us have a bigger quantity and healthier quality of bowel movement.